We're already in the month of August 2025 and I invested in 2 ETFs this month on my Bamboo app. I intend to share this with you, why I invested in them and how you can make money from them if you choose to invest in them. I'm sharing the top 2 ETFs on Bamboo that you can buy right now in August because you guys know that I do recurring investments with as little as 15,000 Naira or more. And trust me, these stocks are outperforming. And because I always give you premium value, I will also reveal 2 bonus Nigerian ETFs that are performing well and beginner friendly. So if you're ready to build real inflation-proof wealth, that is while you sleep, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notification so as to be updated the moment valuable videos like this come out on our channel. The first ETF is the Vanguard S&P 500 VOO. VOO is one of the most powerful wealth building ETFs on Bamboo. And this is because it gives me instant access to 500 of America's most successful companies. Talk about NVIDIA, Google, Microsoft, Apple. We're talking about the giants here. So instead of picking just one stock like I usually do before, I own a slice of the entire US economy. And that is what I've learned from smart investors. That is how they win. So why am I investing in it this August 2025? Because VOO is up to 18% year to date as of August 1st. Okay, so I checked the trajectory and it has 10-year average return of 12 to 14% annually. The fees are the lowest globally. You have 0.03%, just 0.03. Most of the stocks are higher than that for fees. Plus, I will be reinvesting in dollars. So it protects me from Naira's devaluation. Now, if you're interested in this, like I do tell you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I only educate people as to how I use my own investment journey to motivate others. And if you want to do the same, you can download the Bamboo app. Like I said, this video is not sponsored. Search for VOO. A lot of you have asked me in previous videos how to get ETFs on Bamboo or on other platforms. Then transfer as little as 15,000 Naira to 20,000 Naira into your account and you can start investing. This is ideal for anyone who wants slow, steady, dollar-based growth. If you want peace of mind and long-term value, VOO is a no-brainer. The second ETF I just invested in is EEM. iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF. It is my access to the world's fastest growing economies. Like I said earlier, VOO covers the US economy. What about India? What about Brazil, Taiwan, and South Africa? That is where EEM comes in. Now, why is it booming in 2025? Why did I have to invest in it? It is over 21.4% year to date as of August 2025. India hits record market highs. And you know, emerging economies are leading in AI, in fintech, and in renewable energy. EEM gives me diversification outside of the West. It taps into global growth while reducing exposure to just one economy. If you want to get started like me, you can download the Bamboo app, go to ETF, search for EEM, invest 15,000 Naira and above. If you're a focused Nigerian who wants more than just the US market, then the EEM is for you. If the VOO is your defense, the EEM is your offense. And together, they are pure investing power. Now, let's give an example. If I have 300K to invest this month, this is what I will do. I'll split it into 2. 50% into VOO, 50% into EEM. Let me break it down. That is, I'll put 150K into VOO because it gives dollar protection. Plus, I'm investing in the US economy, which is a strong economy. And the remaining 50% goes to EEM, which gives me growth from the global market. The combination of this gives me inflation edge, currency diversification, global exposure, and low maintenance. This is how you start investing like a global citizen, right from your home, right from Nigeria. Now, I know some of you are like, Funke, I want something local too. Something I want to invest right here in Nigeria because we've been hearing that Nigerian stocks are making good money these days. Yeah, it's true. So I'm going to share with you 2 reliable Nigerian ETFs that you can start with, even if you don't want to go international yet. One is the NGSE 30 Index ETF. The platforms you can use are Chaka app and AfriInvest. The provider for this is Vertiva Fund Manager. The price in August is 18 Naira 50 kobo per unit. And does it pay dividend? Yes. Semi-annually, that is every 6 months. And the minimum value you can buy is 100 units at 1,850 Naira. Why did I pick this ETF? It tracks top 30 companies on NGX. Companies like MTN, Dangote, Airtel, Zenith. It has more than 23% returns in the past 12 months. It's a low-cost way to own the Nigerian economy. The second Nigerian ETF to invest in is the verifiable S&P Nigerian Foreign Bond ETF. Which platforms can you get this? AfriInvest and Trove. The provider is Verifiable Capital. As at August 2025, it is 102 naira 30 kobo per unit. The minimum you can invest is 5,000 naira. The dividend is being paid quarterly. That is every 3 months. Now, why do I think this ETF works? It helps you to track the FGM bonds. It is safe, stable, and reliable. It has 11.2% average returns. It is also tax-free for retail investors. It is a perfect choice for conservative investors who want consistent income without stock risks. If I were starting from scratch today as a Nigerian investor, I will do this with my 300k. I'll put 150k into VOO, 100k into EEM, and 50k into NGSE 30 ETF or bond ETF. That is how you build a global plus local investment portfolio that is diversified, dollar-based, naira-proof, and ready for long-term growth. Now let's have a recap. VOO is for long-term US growth. EEM is for emerging market upside. NGSE 30 ETF and bond ETF is for local power. You can start small today, stay consistent, that is auto-invest, and watch your money grow while you sleep. If you want to dive deeper, the beginner's guide into Nigerian stock market investment is out. Yay! Drum rolls! And the link will be in the description below. If you know you don't want to keep paying for the 1-hour session for you to get clarity on the next stock to buy, this book will guide you. I would not have to hold your hands through all the time. This book is a lifesaver. So I put together all the questions that beginners have asked me over time, and I used it in coming up with this book so that any beginner out there can know where and where to invest and understand the Nigerian stock market terrain. Now drop a comment for me in the section below. Which of these ETFs will you be starting with? Don't forget, we are still running a promo on this book, so quickly grab your copy before the price goes up in September. To get more information like this video, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. Until I come your way again, this is Fooby Finance.